Alright, so Namaste from Mumbai, and we are talking today about focusing more on homeopathic remedies in female disorder. And as you know that we are starting a new course where it's a kind of an online course where specifically we are going to be training homeopaths across the globe about how to treat female disorders, how to treat dysmenorrhea, fibroids, cervical cancers, infertility, PCOD, hormonal problems. Different homeopaths across the globe are going to be teaching. Dr. Sarkar, myself, Dr. Nikam, the best homeopaths on the globe. So join us for that. One of the things I want to tell you about, one of the very interesting remedies I use a lot is the remedies. Trillium pendulum. You can focus here a little bit. So this is one of the very interesting remedy that we are using typically in most cases of menorrhagia or metrorrhagia. The keynote indication: a lot of dizziness, a lot of faintness. They feel very dizzy with the bleeding. They feel very dizzy, and they also feel like a faint feeling in the abdomen. And along with this faint feeling in the abdomen, a very important thing is that slightest motion, even slightest motion aggravates, slightest exertion aggravates. Here it reminds you of calcarea carb, but calcarea carb is a little bit more chronic remedy. Calcarea carb, even startling, can cause metrorrhagia. So again, the hemorrhage is a little bit more bright. One very important keynote indication: it's very much better by tight bandaging. So they feel as if all their hips, everything is just going to be scattering, so they want a tight bandage across. This is opposite to snake remedies in that way. Another remedy which wants tight bandaging is nitric acid. Read boric. The remedy I want you to compare here with, and Trillium pendulum is a very important remedy for fibroids with metrorrhagia. I want you to compare here is with Thlaspi, bursa, pastoris. This is one of the very important remedies that we are using, which has to be compared with Trillium pendulum. That's why I'm comparing. You want to study Medica, you want to compare and contrast. In Thlaspi bursa pastoris, it's more dark kind of metrorrhagia, more darker, more clotted. There is intermittent metrorrhagia. But a very important thing is that the staining, it stains the cloth and it becomes a very dark, indelible stain, like medorrhinum, like magnesium carb, like Culex. Just check if it's Culex. So these have indelible stain on the cloth. This is typical for Thlaspi bursa patients. So if it's a dark, clotted metrorrhagia with fibroid, I generally think about Thlaspi bursa. Pastoris also is a very important remedy for craving for buttermilk. And the other very interesting thing is, and you can read this in the last line of boric in the generalities on bursa pastoris, is that in cases where, and this is what Burnett has spoken a lot about as well, in cases where disease, where maybe the fibroids have been removed, the uterus has been removed, and after that there have been a lot of related issues in women, Thlaspi bursa pastoris is a very interesting remedy. Thlaspi bursa pastoris is also one of the remedies of one of my teacher's favorite remedy, Dr. Sarkar's favorite remedy. Thlaspi bursa pastoris, he would say, is one of the lesser known remedies for gallstones, and he often uses it in mother tincture form. So this is a little differentiation: Thlaspi bursa pastoris, Trillium pendulum, some clinical tips. And the entire materia medica, close to 30-40 remedies will be taught in this course. So if you haven't, please join us at this moment. There is a 20% discount for everyone. It's a certificate course. What are you waiting for? Thank you.